she may resign, ano? But the effect, iba ang resignation. When you resign, then you are no longer a sitting vice president. But remember, this is an impeachment case. An impeachment case has two penalties. The first penalty is removal from her office. But if she already has resigned, wala na yung removal. But there is a second penalty, which is permanent disqualification to run for any public office. So even if she resigns, her resignation will not stop the proceedings. Itutuloy pa dapat rin yan because they still have to determine if convicted, the vice president cannot run. So resignation will not cure her problems. Hindi ito criminal case, hindi siya mapipreso.
Okay.
Mapipreso siya kung may conviction siya sa plunder case na final ni Senator Trillanes.
Okay.
Kasi ang penalty, ang plunder case, ang penalty dyan ay imprisonment. Kanya hindi pwedeng gawin ng, kunyari, convinced na ang kampo ng VP na, nako, malabo tong kaso natin, mag-resign ka na, magre-resign, pinapa-resign na lang. Kasi nangyari yan kay Chairman Bautista ng COMELEC, nag-resign, di natuloy impeachment. Kay Ombudsman Gutierrez, nag-resign. Pero pag nag-resign siya, ay may plunder case pa siya.
Hindi pa rin siya.
Imprisonment, just so ma-appreciate ng public ano talaga ang bigat ng 6.7 billion na yan. Maganda yung sinabi ni Congressman Sendanya kahapon. Sa mga wage earners po natin, yung amount na yan, it will take you 11,300 years.
What?
Wow.
Of your minimum wage earnings to earn that money. Kayong nakikinig, 11,000 para malaman nyo yung seriousness. And lastly, serious itong kasong to. Merong recently, February of last year, na isang public school teacher na na-convict. Alam mo magkano? 5,000 pesos. Hala, alam mo ang penalty? 11 years.
What?
Ang nangyari dyan sa itong public school teacher, binigyan ng pondo para bumili ng cement bags.
Okay.
Ang dineclare po niya, bumili daw siya ng 28 cement bags costing 7,000. Yung pala, ang binili lang, 8 bags lang costing 2,000 pesos. So sabi ng Regional Trial Court ng Catanduanes, confirmed just last year ng Sandigan Bayan, 11 years. Falsification,
Mas mabigat.
Magkano yun? 5,000 pesos, mga kababayan. At sino yan? Public school principal lang.